guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys 2 easy DIY K-pop notebooks and cute bookmarks you can make. This is part 1 of my back to school series, so make sure to subscribe to see more DIY K-pop school supply videos. Alright, let's get started. For this coloring page notebook DIY, these are the things you're going to need. And I went ahead and printed this coloring page out. It's from a BTS coloring page notebook that a bunch of fans did and compiled it all together, which I thought was pretty cool, so I decided to put it on a notebook so when I'm bored in class I can just go ahead and color. I will leave a link in the description down below if you want to check that out. But I went ahead and chose this Eat Jin picture. I thought it was really cute. So I just pasted that onto my notebook and then I trimmed off any excess paper. And that is literally the entire DIY. That's it. But if you want to make it look a little cuter, I suggest to put on washi tape like I did here. I just grabbed any like cute food type of washi tape just because it kind of matched the notebook because, you know, Eat Jin. And by the way, why hasn't he done an Eat Jin video? I'm kind of waiting, but you know what? It's fine. It's okay. He's resting. But anyways, that's it. I just put some washi tape and yeah, and then you can go ahead and get your colored pencils and just color that in. Of course, I didn't color it in yet because I'm not in school, but you know, once I'm in class, you bet that I'm gonna start coloring this. For this cutout logo notebook DIY, these are the things you're going to need. So the first thing you're going to do is grab your cardstock. I picked this really cool pink champagne type of cardstock and I went ahead and just outlined the first page because that's where we're going to tape it on. Then I just traced it out with my pencil and cut that out. And then I got my 17 stencil logo out. I decided to do a 17 notebook because I haven't done one. I don't think I've done one ever, so yeah, that's what I'm doing now. And I grabbed my X-Acto knife and just cut out all the white from the logo. So you will have something like this, and I went ahead and just taped that onto the notebook. And then with the X-Acto knife, you're just going to cut white into the notebook with the stencil on top. So this is going to take quite a while, I say, but if you really cut in deep, it wouldn't be that long. And if you need to, you can go ahead and flip over the cover page so then you can do it from the back. And it's actually much easier to do it from the back, I say, because you do the indent in the front and then if you cut it in the back, it'll be easier to cut open. So once that's done, you can go ahead and peel off the stencil and then you can see how it looks like, and then you can go ahead and grab your cardstock and you can tape that right onto the first page of the notebook. So that is it for the notebook, and if you want to add a little bit more pizzazz, if you know what I'm saying, you can go ahead and use some washi tape like how I did here. I went ahead and used this rose gold type of washi tape because it kind of matched with the cardstock. I then decided to put some washi tape to outline the logo because I thought it would add a little bit more of like a pop out feel. Yeah, I don't know what I'm saying anymore, but you can just watch the video. And that is it for the notebook. For these corner bookmarks, these are the things that you're going to need. So what I did here was to cut out a 4x4 inch square of cardstock. And then I drew an X right in the center. And once that's done, we created 4 little squares into 1 square. So then I went ahead and just drew a line to cut it in half. But you're only going to leave 1 square without cutting it in half. It's a little hard to explain, but you can just go ahead and see what I'm doing here. So basically you end up getting like this fox type of shape, and then you're just gonna tape down the little 2 flaps on the top. Kind of like the ears, and then put those down. So this is how it should look like, and then once that's done, you're going to go ahead and get your picture and crop it into place. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and use your tape dispenser and glue that on, and basically you're done. And now you have a cute little bookmark for your books. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more of my back to school series videos, make sure to subscribe and hit the little bell so you know when a new video is up. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye!